Hey there guys, RJ here. So for today's video, I just want to help you guys out in common issues that you'll be facing in Counter-Strike. So that would be when your game is freezing, maybe crashing, maybe if there's a black screen. If it's suddenly happening, then hopefully this is a fix for you. So first off, let's go to the Counter-Strike 2 tab on your Steam. Just right click it and then go to Properties. On the third tab on Installed Files, there should be an option to verify integrity of game files. So just click on that. For this step, it might take some time depending on your case. So sometimes there are software files that are missing. So Steam will be detecting that and then it will automatically download it for you. So after that step is done, feel free to try booting the game, see if it works out. And if not, let's try moving on to step 2. So for the next step, just go here on the same screen. Let's just click on Browse, Game, Bin, and then Win64. And then if you see the CS2 icon, you're on the right track. So just right click this. If you're on Windows 11, make sure to click show more options, because if you click on properties here, you should be able to see it. And then just go to compatibility. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7 or 8. I do recommend 8 since it is more latest. So let's try going that route. And then also disable full screen optimizations. So just click on that and then click on apply and OK. And hopefully it works out for you. And if that step still does not work, then we can move on to step 3. So for the next step, we would just need you to, of course, update your graphics drivers. Hopefully we've done that already. And if it still doesn't work, feel free to reset your computer and all of that. If it still doesn't work, let's try going here. Just go to run and then type this %temp%. So this pretty much just opens a local cache you have on your computer. So as you can see, there's a lot on my computer. So just go ahead and delete that. This doesn't really delete anything of value. This is more on just cached logins, for example, and files that may have discrepancies on your Counter-Strike file. So if you delete that, just Control A and then delete everything. It might take some time. So just do that on your end and then see if it works out. If not, then let's just go to your computer, drive C, program files x86, and then just look for Steam. It depends on where your Steam is located. It could be usually on your drive C, but mine is on drive D. So just go to Steam, user data, and then usually you would only have one here if you only log in one. So just click on that, and then there. And then you can click on 730, and then this is pretty much the Counter-Strike folder. Just delete this, and it should help you out. So those are pretty much these steps on helping you out with your crashes in Counter-Strike, and hopefully it helps. And if not, then there may be a deeper fix that is needed. So I do recommend you to try reinstalling Counter-Strike. It is a bit tedious, I know, but it will definitely help out. So that is it for today, and hopefully we help you out. Have a good one.